Let's check in with Luke now, and a warming Boxing Day on the way.
Yeah, it's going to be a good day, Soph. Better than today. The temps are going to be a little bit warmer and a bit drier as well. Nice conditions down the beach with just light winds predicted for tomorrow. Today, not a lot of rain around despite the overcast conditions, but the clouds help keep temps a little lower than what we expected. Here on the Gold Coast, we got to 27 degrees. Brisbane got to 28, so did Ipswich. And up on the sunny coast, they maxed out at 29 degrees. On the map, we're keeping our eye on this monsoonal trough that's producing some very heavy rain into the north of the country. Now, it's over the NT at the moment, but if it tracks into the Gulf of Carpentaria, it could develop into a cyclone, and if it does, it's going to be known as Cyclone Stan. We've also got another trough that today filtered some really hot wind into the south of the country. Hobart and Adelaide both had their hottest Christmas days in 70 years, but a different story tomorrow. Cool change on the way. Adelaide today hit 38, but tomorrow just 23 degrees. Melbourne 35 today, but for the Boxing Day test tomorrow, not what we want to see. A 90% chance of rain and a top of just 20 degrees. It might be the Windies' only hope, I think. Sydney should have a fine start to the day for the Sydney to Hobart, but they will have rain in the afternoon, and they've got a northeasterly wind too, so that will be right behind the yachts. That will be just what they want, and more rain expected for Darwin. Now for us, it's going to be a wet day for the north of the state. Temps up around 30 degrees, and Merry Christmas to me old man up there in Mission Beach at the moment. Hope you had a good one. Further south, then we're going to have a shower or two for Rocky and Gladstone. Maybe a little bit of rain for you in Bundaberg and Maryborough as well, and temps in the low 30s. And here in the southeast, a warmer day on the way, just a possible shower for most areas, most likely in the late afternoon, though it won't spoil your plans. It's only going to be very light. The sunny coast will get to 30, Redcliffe a little bit cooler, 29, Ipswich 31, and here on the Gold Coast, bit of cloud about and 30. On the bay tomorrow, the earlier you go, the better it will be. And for the city tomorrow, just a 30% chance of rain, a top of 30 degrees, and having a look at the week ahead, it's pretty much more of the same. Rain expected for most days, and a southerly change heading our way on Sunday, which should be pretty good news for the board riders. It wasn't the best day down there today on the beach. Tomorrow will be better. Let's have a look. Well, we woke to windy conditions early on the open beaches, so you had to head down to the points, and if you did, you can find some small fun ones like this around. The swell wasn't big, but still worth making the effort of getting down there. Still some good ones like this around. Nice wave, mate. Now for Boxing Day, we can expect pretty much the same. Expecting only light winds again early though, so we might get a wave on the open beaches. There's going to be no increase in the swell, unfortunately, but still going to be well worth getting down to the beach and testing out the new board if Santa bought you one. And if you're heading down here just for a dip with the family, the water is a little bit dirty, got a lot of weed in it at the moment, but other than that, great conditions, and that water temp up around 23 degrees, so it's absolutely beautiful. Boaties, tomorrow is the day. Good conditions and a bit of action around as well. There's spotty mackerel on big time at Palm Beach Reef at the moment. Moreton Bay Charters found a couple of nice ones in the bay as well. The young fella's scoring a good one here. Good on you, mate. And young Harry got himself a good brim as well. Great stuff. There you go, Sophie. Merry Christmas to everybody from Surfers Paradise. Have a good one. We'll see you next month. See you tomorrow night.
Beautiful. Thanks, Luke. And that's our news tonight. You can keep up to date on our website, 9news.com.au. Merry Christmas. Good night.